Welcome to the channel if you're new, or if you're not, I'm Melissa and I am stoked you're here either way. Today we are making one of my favorite summer beverages, lemonade. But not just any lemonade. I've got 4 different fruity variations on the classic lemonade recipe to switch things up and keep your taste buds satisfied on these hot summer days. I have shown my favorite homemade lemonade on the channel before. I make a super simple syrup. A super simple syrup, actually. It's only sugar and water simmered to a syrup, which I combine with freshly squeezed lemon juice and water. I love this recipe because you are in control of the sweetness and sugar, so I am using this homemade lemonade as a base today with these flavor variations that I'm going to show you, but you could also use your personal recipe or even a store-bought lemonade. First up, mango lemonade. In a blender, I'm adding some fresh mango and some of my homemade lemonade and blending it up until it's very pureed and smooth. Mango can be stringy, so it's good to get this as blended as possible. Let the blender go for over a minute or even 2. Adding some lemonade here at the beginning helps the fruit to blend too. Then strain your mango puree over a sieve to separate the smooth juice from any remaining pulp. I use a little rubber spatula to help get the juice through the sieve. Then you can simply stir in some additional lemonade and transfer to the fridge and allow to chill. Serve over ice and enjoy. Mango is my favorite summer fruit, and the natural sweetness brings such a unique flavor to summer lemonade. And I don't need to add any additional sugar or sweetener because the mango was ripe enough. Of course, you can add additional sweetener to any of these, and to some of these, I chose to too. Like my strawberry lemonade, a true classic fruity lemonade combo. This is a recipe I get loads of requests for, and it's really so delicious. I personally think strawberries need some sugar in lemonade because they are so tart, and my trick is to macerate them first. I simply toss the strawberries with some granulated sugar and allow to sit for 30 minutes to a few hours. This macerating draws out the sweet juices and adds even more flavor and sweetness without needing to use too much sugar. Those strawberries go into the blender with some lemonade and let it go until very smooth. Again, you'll strain it and mix that juice with additional lemonade. Serve over ice and enjoy. Okay, I understand why this is a classic. Bright pink, sweet, tart, and truly delicious. This takes me back to being a kid. I honestly thought this one would be my least favorite, but I actually think it might have been my favorite of the day. But I was also surprised by this next one, blueberry lemonade. Say what? I know blueberry lemonade isn't exactly a traditional combination, but that is crazy to me because blueberries and lemon go so well together. Why didn't I think of this before? In a blender, add your fresh blueberries, or you could use frozen and thawed, along with some optional honey, depending on how sweet your blueberries are, and a bit of lemonade to help it blend. Let it go. Because of the skins on the blueberries, you really need to let this one go for a while. Just like before, strain your blueberry puree until it's nice and smooth and no pulp remains. Again, combine your blueberry puree with your lemonade of choice, allow to chill in the fridge, and serve over ice and enjoy. I could not believe how delicious this combo was. Blueberries and lemon really pair so well together, and it's also such a unique purple color, which could make it a lot of fun for entertaining or parties over the summer. Pretty and delicious. I hope you're enjoying the recipe so far. I wanted to quickly nudge you to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already for more recipes and content, and to let you know that all of my recipes are always linked in the description box for easy access on my free website, which offers hundreds of healthy recipes and print-friendly options. Okay, I have got one more for you today. I couldn't let a summer lemonade episode go by without including the ultimate summer fruit, watermelon lemonade. In a blender, combine fresh cut watermelon, and this time I'm adding a few mint leaves for extra freshness and flavor, and again, some lemonade. This one doesn't need any added sugar because it is so sweet as is. Blend it up, strain it, and this one should be easy to strain because of the high water content, and then combine your blended mixture with your lemonade of choice. Once more, chill and serve over ice. Fresh made watermelon juice is one of my favorite summer treats, so I just had to turn it into a lemonade. It screams summer. The sweet watermelon and fresh mint combined with the tart lemonade creates such a complex but delicious flavor, and there's just so much to enjoy about this one. I appreciate you all being here. I hope you'll let me know in the comments comments if you give any of these awesome lemonade combos a try. All of the recipes and products I shared are linked below. And again, I've also linked my classic lemonade recipes in the description as well. I'll be back soon with a brand new episode, and remember, it's all a matter of mind over munch.